right, start of the third quarter. Close game. So Express trailing. Mad Dogs National 3-1. West still in the cage. Cole, Frankie, and Alex in on D. Same attack. Carson taking the face. Jackson and EJ on the wings. Oh, they threw it out? Okay, yeah, they threw it out of bounds. So that's going to be a turnover. Frankie's going to pick it up on behalf of Express, get it over to West, set up the clear. Alex. Back to West. Over to Cole. Nice grab by Cole. Ball's loose. We got it over. Oh, nice move by Cole. Keeping the ball. Gets it over to Liam at X. Liam, oh, beat his man. Yeah, as soon as Liam saw his man fall, he was ready to pass, but then said, wait a minute, I've got an open look, and then paints the corner.
Stuck it right in the corner.
So that's going to close the gap. It's going to be one goal game. Just trailing Mad Dogs 3-2. Beginning of the third quarter. It is third quarter, right? So I'm losing track of third quarter, right? Yeah. Fight! So many games today, I'm losing track. Nice ground ball by Michael. Attacking the ball. Nick with the ball up top. Where's he going? Shea. Bryce up top. Shea with the ball on the far side. Sully gets it. Swim dodge. Oh, almost bounced it in, but the goalie saved it. Well, two wide open guys here on the clear. Look up! Oh, nice pass. So they get it across. Mad Dogs National now settling it down. Frankie defending, running with the ball carrier. Nick defending, Shea up top. Nice save. Early slide, great second slide. Good aggressive defense. Nice hit! Picked up by Alex.
Go, Nick. Come on, help. We got to get it across.
Alex gets it over to Cole. And then Cole wisely just gets it over because we're running out of time, but intercepted.
Because he's like 8 feet tall.
Go!
Yeah,
what a save by West!
Okay.
Go for it.
Oh, well, fortunately they dropped it. West, or Cole flicking it up. That should be a loose ball push from behind. Picked up by Cole. And Cole sees Carter. So nice ground ball hustle there. Ball's loose though. All right. They're going to call it loose ball push on Mad Dogs. That's going to give it to Express. Nick with the ball up top. It's here with Dante. Now Dante with the ball. Okay, dodging the outside. Gets it over to Liam. Liam sees Sully on the crease up high. Oh, the trail check. Slides the ball. Sully gets it back. Now Sully dodging down the left alley. Oh, tried to dodge through 3 defenders. Just couldn't get through all of them. And now it's a fast break coming back. Oh, what a good job. Good job, Alex. Good job, Alex.
Good job, Wes.
So, press ride, not in Express, not able to find the open man, but Nick with a good GB. Nick picks it up, gets it across the field. Jackson now, long pole on the offensive side. Jackson dodging through the defense. Yeah, but
That's a headshot.
some flying sticks down there, but no flags. And picked up by Mad Dogs. But now picked up by Express. Dante with the GB. Oh, passed it just behind Jack, but I think the tall, I thought maybe the tall grass would keep it inside, it does not. So quick flip. No, they're not settling. They're playing, letting them play right away.
Next year.
Is he all right? He's standing over
Mad Dogs subbing their players. Express as well. Carter in, Aiden in, Dom in.
No, you guys don't have it. You have to, like, so it's, yeah. I don't think Stinks is like, now you gotta, it's Vegas, you guys are, they're hard to do. Yeah, dude, spend the night. Not until we go fully,
Nice slide by Frankie.
Good job.
Forces the loose ball. Frankie right there ready. And then Frankie on the clear. Wes gets it over to him. Good move by Frankie. Thought maybe that would be a head slash. Frankie's still running through the defense. That was a decent. Oh! We called the timeout right before Frankie scored. Echoes of Moorestown in the championship.
I heard it.
All right, but I understand it. That's maybe the coaches just need to trust their poles with the ball a little bit more instead of constantly yelling "get the X." Whatever.
Right now.
So we're in timeout. That would have been the tying goal with Frankie's second pole goal of the day, but instead Express still down by 1. Third quarter. Got to be towards the end of the third quarter, right? It's got to be.
but I bet you're going to make the finance. Because the training they get it's year round. You only have 1 month off. He's 1 month off. Maybe you can move fast. So
Oh, wait a minute. Are we switching? No. Okay, they're in the wrong time. All right, coming out of timeout. 1 goal game. Express trailing Mad Dogs 3-2. And Express will have the ball for their timeout on the offensive side.
corner over there, Chad did. He missed that.
Dante darting past his man, drawing the slide, gets back on top to Bryce. Dante playing off the pick. Bryce with the ball. Gets it over to Jack.
Get that stick.
Flag down against Express. So the flag is on the field.
Today's the day.
Carter defending top center, now Frankie defending in the far alley. Good slide by Cole. So that's going to trigger the penalty. So now we're going to be man down. It's the fourth quarter, or that's right, still third quarter, so trailing seconds. Okay, so that burned the quarter, so now no face-off at the beginning of the fourth quarter. Mad Dogs will begin the quarter up by 1 and man up.